Hello and welcome guys. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to find out what type of RAM do you have in your system, DDR3 or DDR4. So let's find out. For this, just click on Windows search box and type Task Manager and press enter, or just click on Task Manager. Task Manager has been opened. Under the Task Manager, you just click on Performance. Under the Performance, you just click on Memory option. So guys, under the Memory option, you will get more information about your system memory. As you can see guys, in this system has 4 GB DDR3 RAM and the speed is 1600 MHz. So guys, some other information also available about your RAM stick or memory. So here you can easily understand what type of memory do you have in your system. I hope guys this video tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching.